off the bone. This is really good. Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Chinese braised chicken with potatoes and carrots. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we put our dish together. I will start by pan frying my chicken first. Heat up your wok or using a pot, no problem also. Add in a good amount of oil. We'll just wait a little while for the wok to get hot. Once the wok is hot, we add in our chicken. I have with me over here 3 whole chicken legs, approximately 950 grams. I've cut up the chicken thigh into halves like this, leaving the drumstick as a whole. So we just put everything in. Skin side down first. I'm using medium heat over here. You can do the same too. Now what we want to do is want to get some color on the skin as well as to render some of the chicken fats out so that this dish will be really delicious. So we just let it pan fry this way for approximately 1 to 2 minutes without moving them. It's been about 1 to 2 minutes. I'll show you how they look like now. Right, a little light charred color over here. This is what we want. So now we add in our rock sugar. Add in 30 grams of rock sugar. We'll just mix this up, and when the rock sugar has melted and coated the chicken, we know that we can add in the other ingredients. Right, so just stir them around a little bit. Now of course, if you don't have rock sugar, you can always use normal regular sugar. Cane sugar, brown sugar, it's all fine, no worries. Don't worry about the chicken sticking onto the pan. These are all flavors. We will deglaze them later. Break up the rock sugar. Once they're heated, we need the color to be a little bit like the color of a date. A dark red hue is what we are looking for. So just keep frying them. Mix them around well. This will take a few minutes. I'll show you how they look like in a while. I've been cooking this for approximately 5 minutes or so. As you can see, the rock sugar has all been dissolved and it has coated the chicken very nicely. You can see a beautiful charred color. This is what we want. Now we add in our ginger and garlic. 20 grams of ginger, just lightly smashed, put it in. 6 cloves of garlic, skin on, put it in. 1 small piece of cinnamon bark. 1 piece of star anise. Add in 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Give them a good stir, mix them up a little bit. Now we add in our potatoes. I have with me over here 600 grams of potatoes, basically 6 pieces. Cut them into halves like this, put them all in. 250 grams of carrots, cut into chunks like this, put them all in. Mix them around a little bit. This is a one-pot meal that's very easy to cook and extremely delicious. Now we need to add in water, enough water to cover the chicken. Okay, something like this will be good. Now we add in the rest of our seasonings. 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, as well as 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Give it a good mix. Now we'll put the lid on and wait for this to come to a boil. Make sure you scrape the bottom a little bit, just to release all the flavors. Now put the lid on and wait for this to come to a boil. Once this comes to a boil, we'll put the lid back on, turn the heat down to low, and braise this for 30 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 30 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells absolutely delicious. Now we'll turn the heat back up to medium-high, and we'll reduce the sauce to half. This will take approximately 10 to 20 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. I've been cooking this for 20 minutes. Now let's just reduce the heat a little bit and thicken it up. Using cornstarch solution, just add in a little bit and give them a light stir. You can mix them to the consistency that you like. And this is going to be so good with rice or on noodles. Fantastic. Look at how beautiful they are. Wow. I can't wait to eat the potatoes. So ladies and gentlemen, we just need to plate this up and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells absolutely delicious. Let's try the potatoes, or potato. Very, very tender. Very, very good. I love this potato. The carrot. Yeah. Super tender. You don't even have to bite into the carrot. Chicken. Oh. Off the bone. This is really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow. Very nice. Wow, potatoes really good.